90 seconds. That is how long it takes to lose sight of someone in a crowd this size. This is the story of the 90 seconds that changed the Miller family's entire day.
I can't believe we're finally here! Which ride first?
Let's start with the carousel, then work our way to the roller coasters.
Zoe, remember our rule today. Always stay where we can see you, okay?
Okay, I will. I promise. Can we go now? Look! That one goes upside down!
I call the blue horse.
Look at me, Mommy! Can we get ice cream? Please, please?
Okay, let's go. All right, but let's make it quick. It's getting busy.
I want the one with the rainbow sprinkles.
That's a good choice, Zoe.
Let's get it!
2 vanilla, 1 chocolate, and rainbow sprinkles on Zoe's. Thank you.
You got it! Those balloons are so pretty.
Zoe? Come get your ice cream, sweetheart.
For just a few seconds, the crowd closed in like a curtain.
Zoe?
David! David! Emma, I can't find Zoe! David, no! Oh, God! Zoe! Zoe!
Zoe! Zoe, can you hear me?
Dad, where did she go?
That's hers. That's Zoe's ribbon.
In a crowd this size, one small girl could be anywhere.
Excuse me, our daughter is missing. She's 6, yellow dress, curly hair.
All units, we have a child separation near the ice cream stand. Description coming through now.
Mommy? Daddy? Mommy said stay in one place if I get lost.
Morning, Maxing.
That's a helper.
Like Mommy said. Hi there, sweetheart. My name is Rachel. Are you looking for your family?
Yes, I got lost. But I stayed in one place, just like Mommy said.
We need to find her. My daughter, the one in the yellow dress.
I hear you.
I have her. Yellow dress, curly hair, matches the description. Bringing her to guest services now.
Please, has anyone seen a little girl, 6 years old, yellow dress? Emma.
Oh, thank goodness! Mommy!
Oh, thank God. Thank God you're safe. We were so scared, sweetheart. So scared. I found you. I was so worried. I remembered what you said, Mommy. I stayed in one place. You did exactly the right thing. I am so proud of you.
She did wonderfully.
Staying put is exactly what we always hope lost children remember to do. Thank you. Truly. We don't know how to repay you.
Just doing my job. You take care of your family, okay, Zoe?
Bye, Rachel. Thank you for finding me.
New rule. Everyone holds a hand from now on. No exceptions. And we stay close together, especially in crowds like this one. I'm glad you remembered what to do, Zoe. That was really smart. I was scared.
but I remembered. Can we ride the teacups next?
Now this is exactly how I like it. All of us, right here.
Can we do the big roller coaster before we leave?
One more ride, then we head home.
Deal! Ah!
That was the best ride of the whole day!
Best day, even with the scary part in the middle?
Best day. Because you found me so fast.
There, nice and safe.
I don't think I've ever hugged anyone as tight as I hugged you today, Zoe.
That evening, the Miller family drove home with a lesson none of them would forget. A crowd can separate a family in seconds, but a simple plan, spoken out loud before the day begins, can bring everyone back together just as fast. Talk to your children today about what to do if they ever get lost. So here's a question for you. Does your family have a plan for what to do if you ever get separated in a crowd? Tell us in the comments below. And if this story kept you watching until the very end, subscribe, because a new story is coming next week.